Anthony, what we got here?
We just got delivered a GE7 FDL engine. It's a former Norfolk Southern motor. 8.5. We're going to tear it down and get what usable parts we can get out of it. Increase our core supply.
How old do you think this thing is?
That was actually built in 2017. Originally, it could be anywhere from the 80s on up as far as age goes. It was actually built in this shop in 2017.
Okay, let's go.
What's going on, guys? Here we are. KIDD Machine Works. Doing great. We'll get it play, Trump. Got us good set. Ready to go. I hope he loves this video. Don't get mad. Hold on. Yeah. Now you can't see me. But welcome to today's episode. Anthony's office, you know, Anthony.